having a much more different role from what he used to when he was playing for teams like Pangasinan and EAC in the NCAA.
Well, I think one major change really is the minutes that he has on the floor. He's getting so much floor time now here with Emos, and getting a good share of the offensive activity, taking shots, giving out.
Rivero saves it to Alex Cabagrot. Shot block did not reset. Kawilan rolls that three in from the left corner. Lead cut down to 4. Soriano beating everyone to the basket for 2 more points.
Na depensa isa sa mga primary weapons nitong Ilagan na twice nakita natin ang daling nakascore nitong Emos, and that only means that a lot of ball movements. You see this one on the side of Ilagan naman
of moment, whether it's your loved one, whether you're alone. But
I've always
LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL.
well I've always looked at ito si Ralph Robin as somebody who's quiet, very observant guy. While he was with the Heat Waves, he was there on the bench for the most part, but shooting 23 and 37% of the 2 games. But his defensive value is truly so much real, and the offensive usage should also be something that shores up para dito kay Don Gumar.
Not much resistance on that Aaron Soriano layup. Kawilan did not convert underneath. Numbers for the guys in white. Abrigo, bola natapik. De La Cruz, pitch ahead. Kawilan will make up for it with a basket in transition.
Well, timely effort to come down defensively. Another steal.
Nag-a-apply na ng pressure all the way to the backcourt itong Ilagan Isabela. Tres ni Kawilan. Lista mo na.
Third shot for Emos. The defense really clicking. Little high-low right there. Good luck.
Good luck. Soriano.
Point shot attempts nila earlier where they were really waiting for that half-court set. Meantime, this is one of the few ones that they got here in the second quarter. They had everyone more to advantage para dito sa Ilagan. Another missed shot right there by Ralph Robin.
Cowboys running the floor. Nice pass. Equally nice find. Gumaru. Ona. Sinasaan si Gumaru. Bad pass. Marquez, 2-on-1 pass break. Ralph Robin is gone. 16 points by Ralph Robin. Comes away with a steal. Anticipating that Art De La Cruz pass. Salazar. Mariling through the lane, flips it up and in. Counted plus a foul. Ken Pangilinan alongside Gian Alianes at courtside.
Oh my goodness, Ken Pangilinan, you are on a roll just like Alex Cabagnot. Another 3 made this time.
Sila na ang lamang ulit, 46-45.
Tsaka mahalaga yun para sa shooters like him to get a feel of the game. See another interior passing, pretty solid for Ilagan Cowboys this time.
De La Cruz. Gumaru has time. The runner. Straight, but off the back iron.